Hello friends, and welcome to the first lecture of Vedic mathematics. Vedic mathematics is a branch of a mathematics which gives you some tips to solve complex problems in a very simple manner. This will help you to solve your mathematical problems in your day-to-day life, as well as if you're giving any exams, will give you a competitive edge in solving the problems in a faster and efficient way. So let's take the first example. Let's start by dividing any number by 5. So there is basic principle of maths. If you divide any number in numerator and denominator, the result will remain the same. So I will multiply the number in numerator and denominator by 2, which lets me make my divisor in the multiples of 10, which lets me calculate the result in very efficient way by just doing the points adjustments. So the result is 0.4. So next example, let's take on a similar line. Let's divide 18 by 5, which means that 36 by 10, which means that result is 3.6. Let's take another example. Let's take 44 as example. 44 divided by 5, which means that 88 by 10, which means that 8.8. Let's take a step further and divide any number by 25. So I will take an example of 4. So now I multiply and divide the numerator and denominator by 4, which makes the denominator as 100, and which means that it is 16 by 100, which means that the result is 0.16. Okay, so let's take another example of, let's say, 15 divided by 25, which makes it as 60 by 100, which makes it as 0.6. Let's take another example. This is out of direction. Okay, let's take 22 by 25, which makes it as 0.88. Right. Okay, let's take a step further and try to divide any number by 125. So I'll take a simple example of 5 divided by 125. Now, if you look carefully at 125 is nothing but 5 into 25. So 5 into 5 into 5. So basically what we are trying to do now is we will try to get a denominator in multiples of 10, which is 1000, by multiplying denominator by 8. So that makes numerator also multiply by 8. So I will multiply 5 into 8 divided by 125 into 8, which makes it as 40 by 1000, which makes it as 0.040. Okay, let's take another example of 11 by 125 now, which means that 88 by 1000, which means that 0.088. Let's take another example, 2010 divided by 125, which makes it as 16080 divided by 1000, which makes it as 16.080. So as you have seen, these are very simple tricks that will help you in solving your problems very efficiently. This is the first lecture. So in the coming lectures, we will see some more interesting tips and tricks about Vedic mathematics and how it will help you solve your problems and give you a competitive edge. Thanks for watching.